Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ZYXI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Not just today, but you factor in Wednesday also, and volume has been well above average. Price has been acting very bullish. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's get some levels of support and resistance mapped out. First level of support is what I would call the ideal level. And we say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up above 1160. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 1160, I'm not saying the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at more so kind of a medium-term level of support, that would be right there at right around $11.10. And then from more so the overarching time frame of things, just watch that purple line there. So assuming you care about the general framework, the big picture perspective, that is where the purple line comes into play. That's the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So like I said, from the grand scheme of things viewpoint, as far as measuring the health of the overall move, this right here I'm defining as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price remains above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying up here above 1160 would be very, very powerful, but by no means is that required or anything, because as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the overall chart. What about levels of resistance going forward? Initial level of resistance, nothing fancy behind it other than where the party finally stopped today, and that's right there at $11.90. If the price can break up through $11.90, then let's see, is this... Yeah, this is looking... I might have to go to another time frame here. Definitely, yeah. All right, this is a good problem to have because it's been a long time since the price has been up this high. So let's go to the daily time frame. Oh, wow. All right, so we are at literally multi-year highs right now, and I'm about to just call it... Yep, I'm just calling that a blue sky breakout at this point. So... right up here at, let's just call it $12 to make it easier to remember, but I am going to change that to the color of the sky. So there you go. $12 is a blue sky breakout. So keep a close eye on that. But overall, past couple of days, monster moves. And now going forward, it's just a question of how much, further can this, breakout push. So we'll get, it could get very exciting with the break of 12. So let's see if the price can get that job done or not on Friday. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.